Okay guys, so I just wanted to show you how we're going to be coloring in our designs. I just want you to keep in mind that for the color, we're going to be coloring in the negative spaces, not the actual what was the bike. So here's one negative space, and we're going to try to use a little bit of value where around the edges it's darker and then it blends into a lighter color. So here's with color pencils, and I'm gonna show you with pencils in case you don't have colored pencils, and with crayons. There is a way to do this with markers, but I don't have the markers that you can like blend with a paintbrush. So you would have to experiment that on your own if you have those markers. I have like dual brush markers, kind of like paintbrush markers, but I think that some Crayola markers, you can look how it's presented in the slides. I have pictures of someone who in the slides who outlines the edges of the negative space and then used a paintbrush to blend it in. But you'll have to see if you have those Crayola markers that do that, okay? So there's a great example. You just do it darker on the edges and lighter in the inside, okay? So dark around the edges, and you can totally do this with pencil. You can totally do this with crayon. I recommend using color if you have it. So remember, we're doing the negative spaces, but what was the air, not what was the bike, okay? That's what we're coloring in. I can make that look a little bit better. Okay, so let me just show you one more with the color pencil. Nice and dark around the edges. And then lighter and lighter and lighter towards the center. Let me show you with a crayon. I'll do a green crayon to keep the same color. If you want, I recommend that you pick one color and stick with it. If you want to do maybe two colors and stick with it, that might work too, but try to keep it all the same. Okay, with crayons, you're gonna press dark around the edges. And then lighter towards the center of the shape. Okay? If you want to blend two colors together, you can do something like that too. Make sure you check out the slides that I have. I think that's if you wanted to do something, let me show you with colored pencils because I like them better. Dark blue, black, and a green. Pencil sharpener. And then I'll show you with pencil. So this is going to be two colors. You can do it with black or a brown, or if you want to do a dark green and a light green, or a dark blue and a light blue. Okay, you can find a good shape. I'll do this one. You can do like a black or a brown or the darker color. Okay. Press hard and make it dark around the edges. Okay, maybe blend out a little bit. Okay, black might look cool on its own actually. And then you can take another color and overlap it around where you put the lighter black. Ooh, this looks cool. And then make it lighter towards the center, which actually might be easier to do with the black. That looks cool, I like it. The black alone looked pretty cool too. Okay, so now I need to show you the pencil, okay? This is a dark pencil, let me find a good shape, okay. Same concept, so you're gonna do dark around the edges. And blend out lighter towards the center. Voila. Okay. And you're gonna fill up all of your negative spaces. So this shape, this shape, this shape, these little ones, that one, that one. Okay. And be sure to check out the other half of the PowerPoint or the slideshow because that has really awesome samples of completed ones. Okay. All right. Bye-bye.